Writing a thesis is a crucial step in your academic journey, requiring meticulous planning and execution. Choosing the right research methods is fundamental to producing a high quality thesis. In this guide, we will delve into effective research methods for your thesis, providing you with the tools and knowledge to excel. Understanding research methods. Research methods are systematic procedures used to collect and analyze data. They form the backbone of your thesis, influencing its credibility and reliability. There are two primary types of research methods: qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative research methods. Qualitative research focuses on exploring phenomena and gaining insights into people's attitudes, behaviors, and experiences. Common qualitative methods include: number 1, interviews. In depth, open ended conversations that provide detailed information. Number 2, focus groups. Group discussions that explore participants' perceptions and opinions. Number 3, observations. Systematic watching and recording of behaviors and events in their natural setting. Number 4, case studies. Detailed examination of a single instance or event, providing comprehensive understanding. Quantitative research methods. Quantitative research involves collecting numerical data to identify patterns and test hypotheses. Common quantitative methods include: number 1, surveys, structured questionnaires that gather data from a large population. Number 2, experiments, controlled studies that manipulate variables to determine cause and effect relationships. Number 3, content analysis, systematic coding and quantifying of text, images, or other content. Number 4, secondary data analysis, using existing data sources such as databases, official records, or previous research studies. Choosing the right method. Selecting the appropriate research method depends on your thesis topic, research questions, and objectives. Here are some tips to help you decide. Number 1, define your research questions. Clearly state what you want to investigate. Qualitative methods are best for exploratory questions, while quantitative methods suit confirmatory questions. Number 2, consider your resources. Assess the time, budget, and access to data or participants. Some methods, like experiments, may require more resources. Number 3, evaluate data availability. Check if there are existing datasets or if you need to collect primary data. Secondary data analysis can save time and effort. Number 4, think about your audience. Consider what type of evidence will be most convincing to your readers. Qualitative data can prove depth, while quantitative data offers statistical rigor. Combining methods, mixed methods research. In some cases, using a combination of qualitative and quantitative methods, known as mixed methods research, can provide a more comprehensive understanding of your research problem. This approach allows you to validate findings across different methods and gain deeper insights. Implementing research methods. Once you have selected your methods, follow these steps to implement them effectively. Number 1, plan thoroughly. Develop a detailed research plan outlining your methodology, data collection procedures, and analysis techniques. Number 2, collect data systematically. Follow ethical guidelines and maintain consistency in your data collection process to ensure reliability. Number 3, analyze data rigorously. Use appropriate statistical or thematic analysis techniques to interpret your data accurately. Number 4, present findings clearly. Structure your thesis to clearly present your research methods, findings, and their implications. Choosing and implementing effective research methods is crucial to the success of your thesis. By understanding the strengths and application of both qualitative and quantitative methods, you can produce a robust, credible thesis that stands up to scrutiny. Remember to plan carefully, collect data systematically, and analyze it rigorously to achieve the best results. If you need further assistance with your thesis, consider using a professional thesis writing services at thesiswriting.help/order. Our team of experts is ready to help you succeed.